This is not a stop and ID state. Can you tell me what crime I've committed?
This man was approached by officers, questioned repeatedly for his name, and never told what crime he was suspected of committing. Under the Fourth Amendment, an officer needs reasonable articulable suspicion to detain someone, and the officer in this video openly admits this is not a stop and identify state, meaning the demand for ID may have had no legal basis at all. What happens next is a real-time test of whether a citizen can hold the line when officers press for compliance without cause.
I think I'm being approached here. Pretty sure that's what's happening. Maybe not, who knows? But if you go back over this way and back up that way, there's a gate up there. Not really too sure where there's a car going in there. How you doing?
I'm good, you?
I'm all right, brother.
Who are you?
Whoa, who are you?
I'm Sergeant McNeely, Cleveland County Sheriff's Office.
I'm gonna step back to you really close to me, officer. Thank you.
I don't know who you are. You're looking at all of our vehicles.
I am?
Yeah. So we got a right to know who you are.
And I have a right to tell you. I don't want to tell you. Unless I've been legally convicted of a crime.
Well, you got some ID on you?
Why would you need ID?
Because I want to see who you are.
That's not how the law works, sir.
It does.
No, and this is not a stop and ID state. Can you tell me what crime I've committed?
What crime?
Yes.
You're looking at our patrol cars.
Is that breaking the law, or is that just you don't like it?
No, I want to know who you are.
But sir, that's not the law. That's a personal.
Who are
feeling.
you?
Why?
Did you ask me who I was earlier?
But you have to identify yourself because
So
you're law
do you.
enforcement. No, I don't. Not if I
Yes,
haven't
you
broken the
do.
law, sir. And you should know that. How long have you
Yeah.
been on this job?
A long time.
A long time, and you should know that, officer.
Yeah, I do. So, you got any ID on
No,
you?
I don't.
You
I
ain't
don't.
gonna tell me who you
And
are?
I don't consent to any searches or seizures either. Not unless I've committed a crime. And I haven't committed one. And you should know that law, officer. Like, I'm surprised that you've been on this job and you don't know that law. I haven't committed a crime.
So you don't understand that we got more miles backwards than you got forward.
Yeah.
And,
So,
and
you're really.
and
I'm
the
gonna take a
first-
step back because y'all are
second
really
thing-
close and y'all have guns.
The
and I
second thing
don't.
is you're not going to tell us what we're going to end up doing and not doing.
No, I'm just.
You're on our property.
Yeah.
This is
You're looking
public
in
property.
our vehicles.
It's public property,
So,
and my tax
no,
dollars
this
pay
is
for this
sheriff's
vehicle,
office property.
And this is
belongs
public.
to the county. So if you want to take a picture with your phone, you can go out there on that sidewalk.
Which is public. So are you telling me that this isn't public property?
No, it's
So-
private. It's a private
private.
county property.
This is private
And
county
if
property.
we want to know who you are, then
Just-
we have a right to find out who you are.
Does tax dollars pay for this property?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So which means I have the right to be here.
You don't pay taxes, do you?
Yes.
Where you pay taxes? Where you work at?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm just asking. You
I
know
pay
where
taxes
you know
here.
where we work.
Because y'all are officers.
Exactly.
That's right.
Okay.
So,
So
process
can you see how this is in
elimination. So where do you
circles here?
work?
Tell my attorney stay on, please. So,
Oh, yeah, tell your attorney. Okay, tell your attorney. Who's your attorney?
My attorney's Mr.
so what
Paul
you're
Dean.
saying is tax dollars pay for this, but I'm not allowed to be here.
That ain't got nothing to do with it.
No, well, no,
You're turning
that's what
around-
he just
you're
said.
turning around everything
You-
we
you-
just said.
That's what he just said,
We
officer.
said we
You're
have a
trying
right
to
to
turn around
investigate because you're on our
everything we
property.
say.
Can I have your name? Officer
No,
McNeely?
I can't.
Officer
You can't.
McNeely.
You're not gonna tell me your name.
Is that what you would tell the judge?
No, my name ain't. My name's not
Is-
Officer McNeely.
Is that what you would tell the judge?
Yes. Is that what you tell a judge?
I'm not in any.
No, you tell your attorney, tell the judge.
Yeah,
yeah.
you tell attorney tell us.
So,
Okay.
are y'all trying to intimidate me to tell y'all who I am?
No.
I haven't broken the law.
We're just finding out who you are.
I just want to know who you are.
We have
Why?
a right to find out who you are.
But I have a
Am I
right to
gonna
say
be your
no.
friend?
Well, I don't need any more friends, sir. I got a really close
then why are you
family.
here?
Because I want
Yeah.
to take pictures and film. Because it's my constitutionally protected right of anything I can see.
So why don't you go over there and take pictures?
Because I want to be over here.
Well, exactly. If
Uh,
they don't want you to be here, you don't.
But see,
you're not going to be
but
here.
then that's a personal request. That's a personal. It's not lawful. I haven't broken the law.
You
And
have
this,
no right to be here.
How
it's
not?
like me going to a call that I have no right to go to.
Yeah.
See, it works both
So-
ways. You just can't have your cake and eat it too.
this isn't my cake. This is I can
This
be
is you
here.
wanting to do what you want to do. Is what this is.
But if I haven't broken the law, what's wrong with that?
okay, so I can go do whatever I want to.
If you haven't broken the law, you're free to go do whatever you want to do, and you should know
Really?
that. Y'all should know that. If
I
I'm
mean,
not breaking the
you
law,
should know that. You
what
should know,
hassle
you
am I
should know-
giving y'all?
You should know. You should be able to identify yourself to law enforcement.
If
officer.
I've broken the law, you can't just
It
walk
don't
up
matter
the.
if you broke the law
Yes,
or not,
it-
man. You making stuff up as
What's
you
the
go,
law?
man.
What's the stop and identify statute here?
What's the stop and identify?
Yes,
Act?
this isn't a stop and identify state. It's not. I know this.
It
I've
don't
been doing
have
this
to
for a
be.
long time.
It don't have to be.
So
if
what
we,
you're
if we
sa-
request information from you, you have to provide.
If I don't give you my name,
in
are,
an ample,
are you taking me
in
to
an
jail?
ample professional
If I
time.
don't give you my name, are you taking me to jail?
Not necessarily.
You
Am I
said
being-
nothing about jail? You're the one talking about jail.
I'm,
You're the
I'm
one-
just trying to
you're the
figure
one
out. I'm
saying-
I'm trying to
you're
figure
the
out
one
my
wanting
safety
to
here because y'all can't.
You're trying to
Y'all are
make it hard
really
than what it
aggressive.
is.
And make
No,
it
it's
harder
not.
than it's got to be.
How's it? How am I making it hard? Y'all want to know my name?
Why
I
is it
don't
so
have to
hard?
tell you
Why-
because
what do you
I
have
just
to
don't.
hide?
I
What do
don't.
you have to hide?
I
We
tell
ain't got
you
nothing to
what.
hide.
I tell you what.
You got any
I
warrants
don't.
on you?
Tell me.
Do you suspect me having a warrant?
I don't know.
So can I ask you a question then?
All right, go ahead. Ask me.
Since it's not personal,
Hurry
I
up.
mean,
Hurry up.
sin-
Hurry up.
since it's not legal, it's personal. Can I have your
It's
address?
not personal.
Can I have your address?
Can you have my
100
address?
Justice Place?
It's public
No, no,
record.
no, no, no.
My
No.
address is public record.
Okay, well, I
I ain't
get
got
it.
nothing to hide. You evidently
Why
have
don't you
something
tell
to
me?
hide.
I don't have anything to hide. It's just my
you got
right to
something
keep.
to hide.
It's just my right to withhold my information.
Mine too.
Okay then. So if you know that, why you ask me for my name? And then get frustrated because I want to tell you.
Your name.
Can I
I
ask you a
just
question?
want to know.
You don't have the power of arrest. We do.
Who's in charge
So
here?
that's what I'm saying.
So you're threatening me with arrest because I'm not
No,
telling
I'm
you
just
my
saying
name.
we have power of arrest and you don't.
We do have
I'm
power.
just
of
stating
arrest.
So why
fact.
bring up power of
That's
arrest?
a fact. You're the one bringing that on yourself.
Who's in charge here?
We
Who's
both
in
are.
charge here?
Who has higher
Supervisor?
rank? You're a supervisor.
Yeah.
Catch your question.
No.
Are you? Well, I'm going to. Are you detaining me?
No.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
See you now.
So as I was getting back to these officers here, y'all can try to intimidate someone else, please. Thank you.
Have a good day, there, brother.
Oh, I will. Appreciate it, partner. Good luck. He said it would figure it out. That's how you handle these tyrant cops. That's all you got to do. Just stand your ground. And these jokers really thought I was going to fold. They tried to tell me a whole bunch of lies with some legal ground behind it, and they were invalid. Invalid. And now look, I'm doing a walk of shame. Where are they? There they go. Look at them.
This exchange raises a Fourth Amendment question about whether the officers had reasonable articulable suspicion to justify their repeated demands for identification. The officer stated this is not a stop and identify state, which means without en res. The man may not have been legally obligated to provide his name, but the transcript is too fragmentary to confirm whether an actual detention, rest, or search occurred, or how the encounter was formally resolved. Any driver or citizen approached under similar circumstances should understand that whether ID can be legally demanded depends on the specific laws of their state and whether the officer can articulate individualized suspicion of a crime.